Losing your Word document and not able to find it is very frustrating. There are two features that allow you to keep track of your backups and set auto-save times. First, you go to the File, then Options, and you reach the Word Options pane. Go to the left tabs and click on Save. Within the save, you see here I've set the auto recovery information. I can take this to about 2 minutes. So every 2 minutes, the document will auto save itself. Then I want to keep the last auto saved version, even if I close Microsoft Word without saving. Another important thing you need to do is you need to be able to locate the recovery file. Let's say my Word shut down right now. Where do I go to get the document that I was working on? The default is in your app data directory. You can change that to a document on your desktop. So you can click on Browse, create a folder in your documents or on your desktop, and place the file there or the recovery path there. If you want to get to the default recovery path here, the fastest way to do that is open any folder on your desktop. In the address bar, type the percentage sign, which is normally Shift 5 on your keyboard. Type the word app data, APPDATA, then another percentage sign. Then press the Enter key. It's going to send you to the roaming folder. You scroll down and search for Microsoft. Then you search for Word. And within this Word folder, you will see all your auto-saved documents. My Word document is called MSchool. So you see there's an MSchool folder here, which contains a backup version every 2 minutes now of my Word document. So you see every 2 minutes it's going to save MSchool document here. So now I can always come to this recovery folder and retrieve my document if something were to happen to my document whilst I'm working on it.